Hello, today I am going to explain about 8051 microcontroller memory organization. My name is Suresh Bojja, Department of ECE. So this 8051 microcontroller has two memory spaces. One is program memory and second one is data memory. Generally, this program memory is read-only memory and the data memory is read-write memory. So now we will see about the microcontroller program memory. So here 8051 has 64 KB of program memory. So this 64 KB of program memory is organized as 4 KB of memory plus 60 KB of memory. So this 4 KB of memory is provided internally to that 8051 microcontroller and remaining 60 KB of memory is provided externally. The 4 KB internally provided from the starting address 0000H to 0FFFH and remaining 60 KB of memory is provided externally starting from the address 1000H to FFFFH. So when you are resetting this 8051 microcontroller, it will be starts the execution from the address 0000H of the program memory. So generally, which memory that 8051 microcontroller will access? So for this one, we will use external access pin. If it is connected to VCC, then 8051 will access the internal memory, and if the same pin is connected to ground, then this 8051 microcontroller will access the external memory ROM. And now we will see about the data memory of 8051 microcontroller. So generally this data memory is a read-write memory, and this read-write memory is totally 128 bytes available internally of that 8051 microcontroller, and externally we can provide 64 KB of memory externally to this 8051 microcontroller. Now we will see about 8051 microcontroller internal data memory. This internal data memory address are 1 bit wide, which includes 128 bytes on chip RAM plus some special function registers are there. Generally, this 128 bytes of RAM can be accessed by direct or indirect addressing mode. In this 128 bytes of RAM, the lower 32 bytes of RAM is grouped into 4 banks, and each bank contains 8 registers, and each register size is 8 bit wide. So by using program status word, we can select which register bank is in use. That is, which register bank is accessing by this 8051 microcontroller, we can know from this program status word. And here when this 8051 microcontroller, when reset is initialized, then the stack pointer will be set to 07H and it will be incremented to 1. That is, it is incremented to once to start from the location 08H. And this stack pointer is a register R0 of a second register bank. And after the 32 bytes, that is, these 32 bytes are grouped into 4 banks. After the 32 bytes remaining, that is above that 32 bytes, 16 bytes are bit addressable memory spaces. That bit addressable memory space address range is 22 to F. And after that, the remaining will be the user data RAM, that is the address range from 30 to 7F. Now we will say about the 8051 microcontroller external data memory. That external data memory we can provide to this 8051 microcontroller is a 64 KB, and depending upon the addressing mode, the address of memory is 1 or 2 byte wide. So generally this MOVX instruction can be used to access the external data memory of 8051 microcontroller. So here external data memory and program memory may be combined by enabling both read bar and program store enable signals. And this is the memory organization of 8051 microcontroller. So from 00 to 1F, 32 byte wide, these are grouped into 4 banks: bank 0, bank 1, bank 2 and bank 3, and each register size is a byte, that is 8 bit. So R0 here, if you take in the bank 0 R0 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is a byte wide. So like this we have that 4 banks will be there in 8051 microcontroller from 00 to 1F. And after 1F, from 20 to 2F, we have 16-bit addressable registers are there. And next one is 30 to 7F, we have 80 general purpose registers are there. And from 80 to FF, we have special function registers are there. And at the same time, the port addresses is also available in this address location from 80 to FF. And this 80 to FF is a 128 locations used for special function registers. There is nothing but we can call it as a special function registers. So like this, the 8051 microcontroller is memory is organized. Thank you very much. To watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel OpenBox Education. Thank you very much.